I've had just a wonderful opportunity in the last couple of months having conversations with those three people who are all very fine independent parliamentarians, and our conversations will continue. That's what I would say, and they are, as we've said to others, they're confidential conversations. I felt it was really important, though, at this stage to declare that I have a great interest in running for the people of Dublin Southwest as an independent. I've had, I think, really quite a bit of impact as an independent senator in terms of the different things that I've tried to change, getting many amendments accepted, and I suppose being a leader in both the Shannon referendum and also the marriage equality referendum, and finding that in order to make that kind of change, one can't do it on one's own, and you have to cooperate and find areas of common ground with people who are either like-minded, even though they are in other parties, or independents. I've done a lot of, I think, brought about some good change with the independents in the Shannon as well in my own group. And so I don't think it can, I suppose, really look for that substantive change to make Ireland a better place unless you're cooperating with others. So I will continue to have conversations with them. I don't know where that will lead yet.